Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade chili pickle. First, select fresh, firm chilies, about 1 pound, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Next, gather your essential spices like mustard seeds, fenugreek, and turmeric powder. You'll also need a good quality oil, such as mustard oil, and some vinegar for preservation. This simple process yields a delicious condiment that enhances many meals. Now let's prepare the chilies. After washing them, it's crucial to dry them completely. Any moisture can spoil the pickle. Remove all the stems, then slice the chilies lengthwise or into small 1-inch pieces, depending on your preference. Remember to wear gloves to protect your hands from the chili's heat. Letting them air dry for a few hours helps remove any residual moisture. Next, we'll create our aromatic spice blend. Lightly roast 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds until fragrant, then grind them into a coarse powder. Mix this with 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of asafoetida. For the oil, heat about 1 cup of mustard oil until it just begins to smoke, then turn off the heat and let it cool completely before using. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious chili pickle. In a large bowl, combine the dried chilies, your prepared spice blend, and 1/4 cup of vinegar. Pour the cooled mustard oil over this mixture and stir everything thoroughly until well combined. Transfer the pickle into a clean, sterilized glass jar, pressing down gently to remove air pockets. Store it in a cool, dark place. It will be ready to enjoy in about 3 to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.